Stop wasting time on the wrong keywords. Here's how JungleScout finds high converting gems. Also, if you stay until the end of the video, I'm going to be showing you every tool that JungleScout offers. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to help you become and stay a millionaire on Amazon. And the only way to do that is to conquer Amazon together. Let's dive in. So here's JungleScout, and this is the Keyword Scout tool. And I know what you're thinking, does this really make a difference, optimizing my keywords and stuff? And the answer is yes, it does. For our client, we looked at the back end, and then we looked at the competitors, and then we utilized JungleScout's Keyword Scout, and we found that there was one keyword that they were missing that increased their sales by over 20%. And that was the keyword Shark Tank. Shark Tank backed. Once we added this keyword into their title, it helped increase their sales by 20%. And we found that keyword using a competitor analysis using Keyword Scout. So it just takes a few keywords to help increase your sales by 10%, 20%, or even higher. And that's why we utilize those types of tools, and we always optimize our listings every 90 days. Now let me show you the tool. So first you're gonna log into JungleScout, and JungleScout is a great tool for Amazon sellers. And then you're gonna go to Keyword Scout, and then what you're gonna do is type in your competitor. So let's say we're creating a paper cutter device, right? So during the holiday season, you're cutting paper, and we want to see what keywords they're using so we can utilize them in our listing and show up on more places on Amazon, right? That's the whole point of keywords, is SEO, to show up in more places. The more places that you show up, the more sales you'll potentially generate, right? If you show up in 100 places, like most competitors, you're only going to get in front of over that many customers that are typing it in, but you're showing up 1,000 different places, it's going to help you. So let's copy the ASIN, let's put that in here, and then we're gonna click search, and it's going to tell us all of the keywords that they're ranking for. Now, right from the get, we can see their total keywords. So that means they're showing up over 2,000 times on Amazon in total, right? A good goal is to show up at least 750 times. So you could also put your ASIN in here and see, okay, what are you ranking for compared to your top competitors? And that's when you know you need to do better, especially the organic rank. Organic rank is the keywords that they already have in their listing. So if you can double down on your organic SEO, which is your title, your bullet points, your description, your back-end keywords behind your A+ content, all that good stuff, and have the right keywords, you're gonna show up a lot more and generate a lot more sales organically. Now this should be cycled every 90 days. Sponsored is Amazon ads. So they are pretty much targeting over 350 keywords on Amazon, and you could utilize those keywords as well and see what they're running for Amazon ads. But right now we're focusing on organic because it's free, and then you can look at what they're ranking for right now. Christmas wrapping paper organizer storage, which is getting 1 million views a month. Wrapping paper storage, paper cutter, elf. They're even ranking for elf on the shelf, even though this is not an elf on the shelf, but they're called elf. Gift wrap storage, wrapping paper holder, wrapping paper storage containers. Anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to download the CSV, and then we're going to see more data on this in a second. Okay, so now it says it's ready. CSV export ready, and we're going to download that and then open it up. So now we're going to see a lot of different areas. So we got the keyword, which is super important. We've got the 30-day search volume exact, 30-day trend, 90-day trend, 30-day search volume broad, which is what I want to look at. So I'm going to hide these categories. I'm just going to look at category E, and then we want to, if it shows us the category, which I don't really care about, we're going to hide that. Recommended promotions, PPC bid. PPC bid, again, this is good. I'm just going to show if I wanted to run Amazon ads, how much the bid is going to cost for this item. Ease to rank. So how easy is it to rank for this item? If it's easy, if you put this in your title, you're pretty much going to start ranking for it pretty quickly, or your bullet points, your description. Relevancy score, organic product count, sponsored product count. organic rank, sponsored rank, and then go from there. But I'm gonna hide this, and now I'm going to filter these. So I'm gonna highlight this. So I'm only going column A, E, I, J, N, O, P, right? And now we're gonna filter this, and we're going to do smallest to largest. So now we can see this is what our competitor is ranking #1 on. So look how many ranking #1 there, how many times they're ranking #1. This means that they're showing up. When somebody types in gift paper roll cutter, they're showing up #1. Imagine showing up #1 on Amazon this many times, right? So what you want to do is look at their keywords and see what keywords you don't want to, you can't take them all. There's too many for this competitor. But you want to look at, I would say, well, they have so many, but usually you'd look at the top 30, right? For this competitor, I'm only going to look at probably the top 5 or overall and go from there. So let's say we want to rank for, and we can also look at the 30-day search. So we can see, okay, Christmas wrapping. This one is getting over 500,000 searches per month. This is going to be a good keyword. We're going to highlight it in green, and then we can come back to it and see if we can add it in our product title, our product description, and or our product bullet points, right? You can mix and match where you want to put them. Again, wrap cutter, that should definitely be in your title. I'm kind of looking at little elf wrap cutter. That one could probably be in the description. Just make sure it's not trademarked. If it is, I'm going to put yellow because it might be trademarked. If it is trademarked, you can run Amazon ads towards it. You can run Amazon ads towards trademark keywords. The little elf paper cutter, right? So we're kind of looking at ones that we want to rank for that are getting a significant amount of views per month. And we're kind of just going to gift wrap supplies. I know that's not trademarked. Wrap cutter, wrapping essentials, right? And then we can see how easy it is to rank. Again, this one's moderate, so maybe we need to put this in our title and our description, and then maybe we could also run ads towards it. But the PPC isn't that expensive for that, 77 cents per click. Wrap cutter, it's difficult, so you need to keep that in mind. This is going to be hard to rank for. Easy to rank for, meaning if it's easy, you can probably just put it in your bullet points and you'll show up on the first page. Easy to rank for. I love to see easy to rank for. All right, now what we can also do is see what are they running Amazon ads for. So this is the organic rank, which means they've had or have had them in the title, the description, the back end. They're showing up organically for these. Now, if we want to see what they're running ads for, you can see that they're running ads for these types of items right here in blue. Now they're ranked, and you can see which ones they're really spending money on is going to be these ones. So if you want to run ads, elf wrap cutter, gift wrap cutter, you can see what they're running ads on. And it kind of like stops after here, so they're probably not really running ads as much off of these. And this is column O right here to see what they're running ads for. But again, we're mainly looking at organic rank for this one. But if you did want to run ads, you can see what they're running ads for and what the rank is. If it doesn't show anything, then they're probably not running ads for it. Pretty much, it looks like if it has this symbol, it looks like they're not running ads for it. So you want to look at the ones, again, for this one, I'm going to be looking at ones under 5. With a rank under 5. So I'd be like, okay, maybe I should be running ads for this because I know they're running ads for this. So this is pretty much, this tool is very powerful, and you would implement some of these into your listing. You don't have to implement them all, just a few. And again, one keyword that we used for Hickaway increased their sales by 20%. So it just takes a few keywords to help you get that extra boost in sales. Now, it doesn't work right away. It takes around 7, sometimes even up to 30 days for Amazon to notice it and then start ranking. But once you start ranking for that, you wait around 90 days, it'll stick, and then you can start cycling your keywords. And that's how you're going to be ranking for more and more keywords. And you can keep coming back and determining, you can put your ASIN in once, put the competitor's ASIN, and see if your organic rank is increasing or decreasing. It should be increasing if you're doing it right. Overall, it's a pretty darn good tool. And now we're going to be going through all of the tools that JungleScout offers since you stay towards the end of the video. And then number 1 is their academy, where they help you and train you to sell on Amazon. This is developer tools. This one is the Chrome extension that JungleScout offers, which I personally love. Manage products is right here. And you have a listing builder to help you improve your listing, FBA reimbursements, inventory manager, product costs and settings. So you can put in your product costs, and that way JungleScout will tell you its profit in the profit overview section. They'll also give you a P&L statement, other transactions, and you can also dive deep into your ads to see how your ads are doing. They have a review automation service, keyword optimization, which is the Keyword Scout that we've been looking at, keyword list, keyword rank tracker. You can actually track different keywords to see how they do. Is it a seasonal keyword? Supplier database. This is great for finding suppliers. Product research, product database, opportunity finder, product tracker, category trends, sales estimator, great for finding products. And of course, they have their own AI tool. So JungleScout does have around 15 tools, and it is pretty good at what it does. If you're looking on starting for JungleScout, you can go on the link in the description. We do have a link, or go to our website and you can get a discount on JungleScout's pricing. They also have a 7-day risk-free money-back guarantee, so you can try the product for 7 days, or pretty much I would recommend 5 days. Reach out to JungleScout, say you don't like it, you can get a refund. But that's a great way to try out the tools, and I have done that before in the past. Right now I have multiple JungleScout accounts because we run an agency, but check that out. And that's it for today's video. Leave a comment below on how you recently conquered Amazon. If you learned something new, drop a like. If you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend that you subscribe to our channel because we're giving away great content that's gonna help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with listing optimization, optimizing your SEO, your Amazon ads, or anything else Amazon, contact ehpconsultinggroup.com. The link's right in the description, so you can schedule a call with us and we'll help you optimize your listing. Also, our #1 service is our full Amazon A to Z optimization service, where we'll come in, we'll optimize all of your listings, we'll manage your customer service, your inventory, your advertising, and everything else in between to make sure your sales are increasing on a regular basis and not decreasing. That's our #1 job. Feel free to contact us at ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.